Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my online class. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Zakir Hussain, Assistant Teacher of English from Daffodil High School, Mohitpara, Dohar, Dhaka. Dear student, today I am going to discuss assignment 3rd of class 8. At first, all of you have to write down the serial number on your cover page. 3rd assignment of English. Next, you have to write the title. The title of this assignment is Changing Sentence and Paragraph. Changing sentence and paragraph. Dear student, at first I am going to discuss about changing sentence. Changing sentence is a process by which one figure, expression or function is converted into another one of similar value. Now, all of you are requested to take the textbook English second paper of class 8 and open at page 143. Here we see that we have to change only assertive sentence into interrogative. Dear student, we know that assertive sentence can be divided into two kinds, affirmative and negative. For changing affirmative sentence having only V verb into interrogative sentence, we have to write down the V verb including not in the beginning of the answer sentence and note of interrogation at the end. For changing affirmative sentence having only principal verb into interrogative sentence, we have to take do as an auxiliary verb and write down do with not in the beginning of the answer sentence and note of interrogation at the end. For changing affirmative sentence having auxiliary verb with principal verb into interrogative sentence, we have to write down the auxiliary verb including not in the beginning of the answer sentence and use note of interrogation at the end. For changing affirmative sentence having everybody, everyone into interrogative sentence, we have to use who does not instead of everybody or everyone and use the symbol of interrogation at the end. For changing negative sentence having only V verb into interrogative sentence, we have to write down the be verb in the beginning of the sentence and delete not from the sentences and use note of interrogation at the end. For changing negative sentence having auxiliary verb, we have to write down the auxiliary verb in the beginning of the answer sentence and delete not from the sentence and use the note of interrogation at the end. For changing negative sentence having never into interrogative sentence, we have to use ever instead of never and use note of interrogation at the end. Dear student, I think that all of you are performed properly if you are listen my discussion seriously and you can able to show your creativity on your assignment. Now I am going to the second point. Our second point is paragraph. Dear student, in this assignment you have to write down a paragraph on the topic a place I visited last year. In this paragraph you have to display your own idea, own expression, own knowledge, and in a paragraph at first you have to organize your ideas, then you have to write down these ideas properly. Dear student, you know that a paragraph should be written within one para. There is no paras and it should be limited within 150 words. You should be use properly the grammatical items and punctuation marks in your writings. I think that all of you can perform this task properly if you are listen my discussion. No more today. Now I would like to inform you that our motherland and the whole world has been going to suffering with the pandemic COVID-19 seriously. In order to be safe and sound, all of you should use mask every moment when we are going out, and we have to use hand sanitizer every moment at the beginning of any work and at the end of the work to be safe and sound. Allah Hafiz.